Namaskar. Welcome to Clever Circuits AI. Donald Trump has just launched a nuclear missile on the chip industry. But this time, the target is not China. The target is the world's most important company, TSMC. Trump has explicitly said, if you don't build in America, pay me a 100% tax. Think about it. Your iPhone, your GPU, your AI, everything depends on this one company in Taiwan. But while America and Taiwan fight, one country is quietly laughing. India. Is this a golden ticket for Tata and Micron? Let's analyze. First, look at the map. Taiwan makes 90% of the world's advanced chips, but Trump calls this theft. He says Taiwan stole the US chip business. He calls it a protection fee. You want US military protection? Build factories in Arizona. But here is the problem. Building in America is 4x more expensive than Taiwan. Labor is costly. Electricity is costly. If TSMC moves there, chip prices will skyrocket. This is where India enters the chat. The world realizes China plus one is dead. They need Taiwan plus one. And who can match China's scale and low cost? Only India. Tata Electronics in Dholera, Micron in Gujarat. These aren't just plans anymore. They are under construction. By end of 2025, India starts commercial chip production. If US tariffs make Taiwanese chips expensive, companies like Apple will run to India for a cheaper alternative. So, the verdict? Trump's return brings chaos. But chaos is a ladder, and India is ready to climb it. The monopoly of Taiwan is ending. The era of the global fab has begun. Before you go, here is today's Geopolitics quiz. Question: which company is partnering with Tata for India's first fab? A. TSMC B, PSMC, Powerchip, C, Intel D. Samsung, let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more Silicon Geopolitics. Jai Hind.